What we have here is the Nomad by Blue, which is a portable dive compressor. Battery operated, and as you can see, you can take it on a plane with you, go on shore dives. It's extremely portable. Let's open it up. So this is an all-in-one device here. This sucker has a battery built into it. It has the hose wound up, and it also has an air intake which will feed you with oxygen when you're down in 30 feet of water.
This system, you can get 30 to 45 minutes of dive time, depending on your breath intake.
So what you're gonna do is take it apart, unwind the hose, 40-foot hose, right?
Yep, so you can dive up to 30 feet. Pop this open. Battery slides in and out.
Slide it in, click this down.
And you'll hear it click on.
Clicks, push it in, push it down. After that, you're gonna put in your air intake, which has a dive flag on it. And check this out.
Good to go. With the regulator on your right
Smart
side.
regulator.
Yes, when you're breathing in and out, it sends a signal to your dive compressor, so that way it only releases air when you're actually breathing in. That way it also saves your battery life on your compressor, which means you have a longer dive. Now I'm ready to go clean the bottom of the boat.
She forgot something.
Oh, shit.
Those aren't goggles, dummy.
Yeah, I just realized that. Thanks.
And you need fins.
There's a lot of gimmicks and weird gadgets that people try to sell you on that you'll put under the settee and never use. But this blue dive compressor is truly something that we almost consider a necessity. We use it all the time, and it's super convenient. We use it to clean the bottom of our boat and to do other various tasks, such as
Hunt treasure.